Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we are going to learn how to use the creation tools. Basically in the creation tools there are two type of tools, pen tool and the pencil tool. So today we will learn how to use the pen tool. But before diving deep into the pen tool, first we need to know what is the vector networking. Basically, vector networking is a special feature that sets Figma apart from other vector tools. In the Figma's vector networking, basically you can connect any two or more points in any direction, even forming a complex web-like shapes. Think of like a network. Every anchor points can connect to multiple others, not just the next one. So in case of the paint tool, basically paint tool lets you create custom vector shapes and paths just like the Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Now I'm going to show you how to use the paint tool and how to create the network, the vector networking. Okay, so for that I'm going to this pen tool or the creation tools over here. So I'm now going to select the pen. You can use the shortcut P. Okay, so look carefully. Here I have put a point over here, and when you just place it far from it to another point, so there is 2 point connected by a line. So this is called traditional vector path. So when 2 points joins and create a path, we can call it traditional vector path. Okay, now let me show you what is vector network. So when two or more basically points are connected with each other, then it can create a network. Let me show you how. Let's say I want to create something like this, a complex shape. So basically you can see there are 6 points linked together, and it already has created a complex shape. So this we can call the vector network. So you can add fill to it, or you can remove the fill. Okay, so this is how you can create the vector network. But vector network can be used in a very complex way. You can create different type of shapes, you can create different type of like designs and everything. Let me show you how. So over here all the edges are sharp, right? But you can actually create like more smoother type of shapes. So for that I'm here taking a point over here, but when I put the second point, basically you just don't remove your mouse. Basically pressing the left button on your mouse, just drag it. So when you're dragging it, basically you see the straight line is now curved, and there are two like straight lines on the like in the point. So basically these two lines are called handles. So this one is the left handle, this one is the right handle. Handles basically control the shape. You can see by just moving the handle you can actually control the shape. The longer the handle, the sharper the like shape. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to create like circle like things. So using the shortcut P, I have taken a point over here. Now I'm going to make a point over here and drag it. I'm creating a point over here and just dragging a bit over here, and I can just add a point over here. Okay, you see I have created a circle, almost circle, but it's not a circle shape. So basically you can then just modify it and make it more like a round of shape. So now let me show you how to create a circle or a round or a smoother borders from just a simple straight or pointy corners. So let's say this is something I have created. So now go to this option. This tool is called the bend tool. Basically, it will help to smoothen the corners and will bend any type of sharp edges. Okay. So it has also provided me a smoother corner than before. So this is how you can use the bend tool to smooth out any type of rough corners. Now, so what if we are trying to create a more complex or different type of shape, such as a moon shape? Okay, so for that I'm going to take the pen tool again, and here I'm pointing. I am taking another point, so just going to bend it by just dragging it. Okay, so from this point, if I want to just basically just bend the third line over here to this, it's impossible, right? So to just bend it and bring it from the back of this curved line, so we can do either of the things. We can either delete this left extended handle, or we can just break it. To break the handle, you can basically use the alter button. Okay, so now just press the alter button, select this handle and just bend it. Okay, so now you can have more easily curved line. So let me show you. Voila, our moon is now created. So this is how you can you can create different type of shapes and different type of designs which can be used on different type of things like logos, or to create some illustrators and other things. These things are easily being created using the vector. So I think now you know what is the vector networking, what is vector, and how you can use it to create different type of designs. Thank you, everyone.